Hi guys, so if you are facing this error Winload.efi missing error, so you can easily fix that up. So what you need to do, first of all, you have to go to the automatic recovery screen. Okay, so you have to reach this screen, automatic repair screen, and click on advanced options. So how will you go to this screen? It's very simple. Just make sure that your PC or computer or laptop is turned off. Now start your computer with the power button, and as soon as it starts, as soon as the logo of the manufacturer appears on the screen, just press the power button and keep it pressed for 2 to 3 seconds so that it get turned off forcefully. Okay, repeat this process for 3 times, and when the fourth time you will start the computer, it will automatically lead you to this screen. Okay, then you will click on advanced options. When you will click on advanced option, you will reach this screen. Okay, so in this you have to click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options. Now you have to click on command prompt. Now, once the command prompt window open up, you have to write these 4 commands. First command, you will write rec/fixboot. Okay, hit enter. Okay, the second command, you will write bootrec/scanos. The last command you will run as fixmbr. Okay, now just close the command prompt and then continue and start again, try again, and your problem will get fixed. If it does not fixes your problem, come to the screen again, click on troubleshoot, click on advanced options, and click on system restore. And now if you have a system restore point, just try to restore the system to an earlier date. So that's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek page.